Hello? Hello, Brandon. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, good. Let me share my screen here. Uh,
Sure.
if I can, I don't know. Uh, you- can I share my screen? I'm not sure.
Yeah, you can share your screen. You should have a button, share. You can first stop video, your
Ah,
camera.
there we go. I found it. There we go. Okay. So this is the panel that I actually coded some of this. I use AI and stuff. I do have a degree in web design, but I also do construction now. I actually work on doors, so I don't have time to finish this. But I have a contract with the company, and I have to have this panel done. It's part of the contract. Um,
Okay.
so I did code mostly all the hard stuff, I would say, is done. So there's like a floor plan viewer where you can add pins and whatnot. So all this kind of works. There's an offline mode that you can use. So if there's no data at the job sites, it can go offline. So you could check out the job and it automatically downloads everything to the browser. Um, I did test it a little bit, but I mean, the code might not be perfect because I use AI for a lot of it, to be honest. I'm not sure if you looked at any of the code yet, but yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I kind of just need to finish this panel. There's admin panel, but I also need a panel for the PMs, project managers. So pretty much once the admin panel is completely finished, I need it copied and just change what they can do, right? So the PMs should only have to they should only be able to view the job and add comments and maybe create jobs, but they shouldn't be able to like add a bunch of stuff. So they should only be able to view stuff really. So there should be multiple panels. So the admin panel, the PM panel, the technician panel. The technician should have a panel where they can add comments and change statuses and all that. Let me once this downloads, this is taking forever. There we go. Oh, my computer's lagging. So it downloads all the data for the whole job. Um,
Okay.
but yeah, once you go into a pen, so this would actually be a door that we would have to work on. So I just have it so they can see where it goes and whatnot. The mark number, all the data for it. You can change the status, all that type of stuff. You can assign people to it. You can edit the assignments. Um,
Okay.
Save them. So all this stuff saves to a JSON file, and when you check back into the job, it re-uploads to JSON file and makes all the changes in the database. Not sure if it's the correct way of doing it all, so you might have to like go over it just to see if it's the right way or not and change stuff as needed. But yeah, you can add images, video. Rework is just like extra work that was required for the door. If there anything's required, we would put it on there, and it goes to pending approval at first, and then the PM would see that on their panel and have to approve it. And then comments, you can comment people, so I can put that. It might not work because I don't have anyone assigned to the job, but you should be able to put like at and then the person's name and select it. This one's not going to have it. My computer is lagging right now. Wow.
Okay.
Let me see. Why is this lagging so bad? Wow.
Did you build the entire admin panel with the raw PHP code? Only the PHP code or with any framework?
I didn't. I just did it all with PH. Let me see if I can load. I just used HTML, PHP, JavaScript, like raw. I didn't use any framework. Now,
Mhm.
if it makes sense to redo it all and do it under a framework, I mean, I'm down. I'm okay with that, depending on how long it's going to take. But I have to get this panel done as quick as possible. Where is it? Going on. Man. But yeah, everything's on GitHub. I put the whole thing on there. Let's just go on one. I just don't have time to finish it. I'm sure everything is not where it needs to be, but if you can salvage it, that would be fine. But if it's better for you to redo everything, yeah,
Mhm.
like the CSS is directly on the page. It should be in the CSS file. But yeah, yeah, it's just raw JavaScript. There might be some JSON in there, but I'm pretty sure it's all raw JavaScript.
Okay.
But yeah, if you want to look at GitHub for that, see how the blueprint disappeared right now? Like it's supposed to be where this pin's at. There's some bugs like that. The offline mode might not be the way of doing it.
Mhm.
But yeah, if you want to take a look and see what's what and what's yeah, the best way of doing stuff. But I also so this job, let me see.
Mhm.
So I also have these little stickers. I bought a printer for it. It has, oh, there we go. It has a QR. So these will go on the doors, so you'll be able to scan it and stuff. So you can export the labels on here and stuff. Let's see. So like up here, you can hit this. Well, it's not gonna let me do it because we're on here. But yeah, you'll be able to. So that actually works already. You can scan it. It'll automatically go to the door that's scanned. But yeah, oh, that's pretty much it. I mean,
Mhm.
I could give you a full breakdown of what I need um, on each panel. I think that might be a good way of giving you a scope. But it's pretty
Mhm.
much just this panel, but yeah,
Mhm.
just change the way they see everything because I don't want certain people changing certain stuff, right? Like the technician shouldn't be able to delete a job or so yeah. Any questions though?
Yeah, sure. I see the GitHub. I am downloading it. It might long space. Okay, I just finished the downloading. The GitHub project is 1.16 GB. These all are media, right? In GitHub.
What's that? I'm sorry.
I downloaded the GitHub project. It's
Yeah.
1.16 GB. The space is total.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
there are lots of images for this long space, right?
Yeah, so I copied the whole thing. So a lot of that stuff you could probably delete the images and stuff because all the blueprints are probably on there. So that's probably why it's so big. I should probably deleted all that.
Okay, okay, it's
Yeah.
not a problem. So I found the website hasn't built with raw coding. It's absolutely okay, and you did a great job. So do you have any deadline to finish these things? I mean, is there
Um,
any
that's
urgent deadline or we have comfortable time to make it?
it's an open deadline, but I definitely would like to have it done in less than a month. So,
Oh,
um,
okay.
yeah,
Okay.
I would like to have it done in the next couple weeks if possible. I just don't have the time to finish it. I would do it myself, but I there's no possibility of me doing it right now because I'm actually working on the doors, so I can't. I just don't have time for this. I quit work on it a few weeks ago. But yeah, as soon as
Okay, it's okay. My second next question is he told me to if I want I can rebuild it if it is good.
uh,
So as long as the admin panel and the entire backend hasn't built with raw coding,
yeah,
and nowadays raw coding takes much time to build any backend. If I make it done with everything with recoding with a framework which will makes easier to build and makes things easier for future customization. So is
right.
it okay for you?
Yeah, that's fine. Whichever makes sense because the client he's going to want changes, I'm sure. So it's probably good to do it that way. But yeah.
Yeah, that's why I am telling you that these things are lots of changes, and this might comes more changes later. So for avoid future complexity, we can use a framework like Laravel. I believe you know about Laravel. Do you hear about it before Laravel, a PHP
Yeah, I
framework?
have. I have. I don't really know too much about it. I went to like a regular college for this stuff, so I didn't really learn all the frameworks and stuff. So, um,
Okay,
but yeah, as
okay.
long as I can manage it on a server. Right now I have it on AWS, which
Mm-hmm.
uh, if
Mm-hmm.
we could put it on there and have everything run on there, that's fine. I can
Okay,
give you access to the server and all that, and you can just do whatever you need to do. But yeah.
okay, okay, no problem. Is there any specific reason to use AWS?
No, it was just for costing really, so I could expand it if needed, but
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, no problem. Okay, let me. Are you going to hire me now?
yeah. What's
Okay.
that? I'm sorry.
Okay, so uh, uh, are you going to hire me now and start looking into this and start make the customization?
Yeah, that's fine. How long do you think it would take to finish the whole panel? So I need the admin panel, tech
Mm-hmm.
panel, PM panel, and a client panel. Oh, there is a client panel too. So, oh man, I forget. Uh, I'm gonna have a problem here. Uh, uh, that sucks. So I do have
Mm-hmm.
a page. I'm not sure why this isn't secure. That's not good. Ah, no, it's still good. But so when you scan the label that I made, there's a landing page, but you'll see the
Mm-hmm.
code. It's in the code, so you'll see it. But it goes to a
Mm-hmm.
page where it shows all the data for the client. They can't
Mm-hmm.
add anything because they're not logged in, but if they are logged in when they scan it, it'll automatically go to the panel to the door. But you'll see the functionality. But yeah, if you want to take a look, let me know how long it will take. I definitely need to have it done in a month though, guaranteed. Um, but yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'll try my best to make it done within the month. Okay. I
Uh,
believe I can do this. Also, can you export the database and send it to me so that
okay.
I can import it to my local host and look into this more easily
Okay.
with the
Um,
data?
it Yeah, the data might be on GitHub already. If not, I'll put it on there right now in the main
Uh,
direct. So,
okay. In the GitHub, I believe there is not have any database.
mhm.
It's all the files in the GitHub. You need to export it from the piece my admin and send it to me by Upwork or anywhere else.
All of the files, you just want me to like zip it?
No, no. I already have the files from the GitHub. I already downloaded it. So I need the database also. So it works perfectly in the local host with all the data, and I can review more easily. So all you need to go to your PST my admin and export the database, Intel
Okay.
database, and send it to me by Upwork.
Okay. You said through what? I'm sorry. You want me to send it through GitHub or
You can send it to me GitHub. The database might not a long space, like it might be 10 MB or 20 MB or 30 MB or 50 MB. It is not a lots of space. So you can send it to me GitHub or Upwork by the
okay.
attachment.
Okay, gotcha. It's not that big, so I might be able to just start right on GitHub, but if I can't, I'll do it the other way. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay, right on. So what's the next step? Do I have to do something on Upwork for you or no?
You can hire me into Upwork. You can go to
Oh,
Upwork and hit the hire button.
okay, gotcha. Right here. Okay, cool.
Mhm.
Okay, I'll do that now and I'll send you the database and yeah, let me know exactly what you need after that.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, no problem. Thank you. I'm waiting
Right
here
on.
for you.
Right on. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.